everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to analyze a combination spanner. We are going to use the static structural module of ANSYS Workbench. Let's start by double clicking on it. We'll first go to engineering data sources, general materials. I will choose stainless steel as the material for the spanner. Project, update project. I'll now go to geometry and right click. I already have this spanner made with me. So I'll directly import the geometry. Now I'll go to model and double click on it. I'll go to this geometry and change the material to stainless steel. I'll now go to mesh and change the sizing from coarse to fine and update. I'll now go to static structural and insert fixed support. I'll choose these faces. Apply. Next, I will insert pressure on these two faces. Apply 2 megapascal. I'll now go to solution and insert deformation total. I will insert strain equivalent. Also, I will insert stress equivalent. I'll go to solution and solve. This is the total deformation over the body. We can animate and check the result. The value is 0.11 mm. Next, we'll check the equivalent elastic strain. The value is 0.0002105. Next, we'll go to equivalent stress, which is the most important thing. The value is 40 megapascal. The color over here is mostly this blue color, and you can see the value of stress generated is actually very less. So this spanner is actually going to be very safe under the amount of pressure that we have applied. So, with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to analyze a combination spanner for its deformation, stress, and strain. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.